like a blind veteran's door. Cause I was going nowhere, like a child's letters to God. The life's road was hard, I was never so lost that I looked for an answer in a medicine box. I never did pop pills or cocktails, just rock tills. Kids with skills still got a rasp for cops still. They'd have me in the back of a paddy down the lockup, smack me, pat me down for a bag, mom's a rock up, and bail me out if I you're out once again next weekend. Bail me out drunk again, and I never will forgive myself for putting you through all that hell. I went from high school dropout to factory labourer, slave to the clock until 4. Went from sleeping on the floor to being out on tour. Now there's nothing me, I finished with the bang like a Cobain's biography.
Going down a hard road,
Down the high road,
don't know where I've been.
and don't know where to go. It's like
Going down a hard road,
down the high road.
don't know where I've been.
I spent my youth like life was cheap. Only change that I wanted was enough to buy a drink. Was on a path to nowhere, and the harder the road, the more broken baggage we carry, the larger the load. The school dropped back, I'm knocked out, chased by the cops out. Got clout, dumped by my girlfriend and locked out. Been broken being, even choked at being a dope MC, but never lost hope and dreaming. We used to thrash boosted cars, silver engine and fail. If I never had bail, maybe I'll be dead or in jail. Oh man, I got no one else to blame. I'll thank my family and music for keeping me sane. But that's the breaks, right? Started working late nights, never seeing daylight, getting paid like a slave might. And I've done too many years to miss this for my missus, to have to tell my son he nearly never existed.
Going down a hard road,
Down the high road,
don't know where I've been.
and don't know where to go. It's like
Going down a hard road,
down the high road.
don't know where I've been.
DJ to breathe, come on and break it down like
Rough, 'cause the road gets rough. Rough, 'cause the road gets
And I speak what I feel in the booth, in the spirit of truth. Cause all these kids out of me, man, they mirror my youth. And I could've gone the wrong way,
Easy option,
but I chose to go the long way.
streets are watching,
So keep a lookout, beat ballers, keep your hook up. Pull a page, rip my book out, and pull out your finger, put your foot out. And keep a lookout for what we put out, the brand new flavor for your cookout.
Going